Interesting facts about RCCBs, Residual Current Circuit Breakers. Lifesavers by design. Developed in the 1930s to prevent electrocution, RCCBs have saved countless lives by detecting and tripping circuits with even small leakage currents. They are especially effective in situations like faulty appliances, damaged wiring, and accidental contact with live wires. They protect standard circuit breakers, which primarily focus on overloads and short circuits. Sensitive guardians. Unlike typical breakers that react to high currents, RCCBs can detect imbalances as low as 10 to 30 milliamps, well below the level that can cause harm to humans. This sensitivity makes them crucial for early detection of potential electrical hazards. They come in various sensitivities depending on the application, with higher sensitivity for areas with greater risk of contact with water or conductive materials. Silent protectors. Unlike a regular breaker that trips with a loud snap, RCCBs operate silently, often unnoticed except for the loss of power. This is because speed is crucial to prevent harm, and any delay caused by user intervention could be dangerous. Their silent operation highlights their proactive nature, preventing accidents before they even occur. Global guardians. RCCBs are mandatory in most countries for various installations, including homes, hospitals, schools, and workplaces. This widespread adoption reflects their vital role in safeguarding electrical safety. Different regions have specific regulations regarding RCCB usage, highlighting their impact on global safety standards. Misunderstood heroes. While crucial for safety, RCCBs sometimes get blamed for power outages, leading to user frustration. It's important to understand that these outages are actually a sign of the device functioning as intended, protecting against potential dangers. Raising awareness about their role can help dispel misconceptions and encourage proper appreciation for their silent protection. Beyond home safety. RCCBs aren't just limited to homes. They play a vital role in various industries, including construction, healthcare, and manufacturing, ensuring safety even in demanding environments. Their diverse applications showcase their adaptability and importance for broader electrical safety. Future innovation. Research is ongoing to develop advanced RCCBs with features like fault location identification, remote monitoring, and integration with smart grid systems. These advancements promise to further enhance their effectiveness and contribute to a safer electrical future.